back to my channel. Today we are filming a voiceover just because couldn't get much talking done through this one. I was a bit busy, it was all manic and the weather weren't great. But yeah, this is the back half of the property that I've done the other day. Sal's gone through, but she just wanted to freshen it up for the next people, which is quite nice and lucky for me. So you can see the patio weren't too bad really, just algae and a few weeds and whatnot, whereas the side paths definitely were due a blitz. So let's get cracking, and we're going to get the turbo nozzle out first. Enjoy. Be sure to check out the outro of Theo today. It's me putting him to bed. I didn't do it the right way, meant to sort of wind him down, and it went in the complete opposite direction. So for this coming pressure washing season, got a lot of new kit coming, so I'm going to sort of try and break it down, show you what I'm buying and whatnot, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Also got a few roof cleaning jobs booked in, and I've never filmed one to I don't know why, so I'm actually going to film them this time, show you how I clean them. Also got a few new bits and bobs coming for that, so can review them at the same time. I think it's just the access and that, like trying to get a good angle. I don't like to leave the camera in one place. I like to sort of keep changing it up, and just otherwise, well, like people can get bored anyway, but I just want to keep it as flowing as possible. Right, wicked. So we've got through this now. Just got the final rinse to do for the paths. We're going to use some biocide. Literally just sprayed it on and leave it. Great stuff, really effective on organic growth and stuff like that. So yeah, well worth using. And then we're going to jump onto the patio. Like I said, it's not too bad, but it's got algae in places, a few lichens, weed. Yeah. So going to start off with that. Spray some chemical down first, and then move on to the flat surface cleaner. Give that a good blitz, and then get the lance out and yeah, give that a thorough going over. Hope you enjoy. If you are enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up. I mean, if you can subscribe, that'd be great. Even drop a comment on what you'd like to see, or if you didn't like it, just drop a comment on what you didn't like about it, and I can improve in the future. So yeah, the next plan will be to get more cameras, just get some more angles on the go. It does take a bit of time setting up, but it's more than worth it, and I'm just enjoying it so much at the moment. But yeah, give me a thumbs up. Another question I get asked is how do I keep the machine from freezing overnight? I've just got a thermal blanket, wrap it in that. Got a standard blanket, then I wrap it in that. A lid from the hot tub, so that's like sort of thermal in a way, that keeps the heat in and the cold out. So I actually wrap the whole machine in that as well, and that seemed to have protected it over a couple of years. So not that it's really something easy to get hold of, but it works for me.
What's wrong? Did you bump your head? Did you bump it on that? You bumped it on that? You naughty bed frame! Ah! Ah! You naughty bed frame! Ah! Ah! Naughty bed frame! Ah! Ah! Yeah, you naughty bed frame! Ah! Naughty bed frame! Oh! You naughty bed frame.
I think I've told it off enough, don't you? I love you. Last one. Last one. Promise? Okay. Don't hurt my Theo. You say thank you for watching the video. Yay! Thumbs up. I love you.